Now let's talk about the signs of intoxication. As housekeeper, we need to know if our guest is already intoxicated or not. And there are signs that we could look after. One is the difficulty of standing. If the guest tends to be moving towards the right or towards the left, somehow we know already that this person is having such level of intoxication. The other one is the slurred speech. If the guest, while he's talking to you and he could hardly utter the words as if he's eating the words he's talking about, then that is another sign. And there could be a swing of moods. The intoxicated guest or the person will be changing his mood. Sometimes it's okay, and after a few seconds, he will just get angry. So that is the changing of the mood. And then also, you have to look for possible signs if how much or what is the consumption of the guest. Perhaps at a nearby table, you will see already a lot of bottles. Then that means that guest has somehow consumed already a lot of the alcohol. Another one is, of course, vomiting. Sometimes when you enter the room, the guest has already vomited on the floor, or he tends to, as if there is already discomfort with his stomach. And then the other one is drowsiness. The guest will show that while talking to you, he tends to be, almost closing his eyes. And that is another sign of intoxication. Another sign of intoxication is that you could smell alcohol at a distance. And the moment you have smelled already, you try to see, because sometimes there are guests when you smelled already the alcohol and yet his tolerance is still high. So meaning he's still okay. So we could still maybe serve more of the wine. However, if the other signs are present, then you could have another way of or giving another assistance then.